Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a personalized alarm clock. First of all, we need to install PLAYSOUND to play the sound. Then we will import DATETIME. And from PLAYSOUND import PLAYSOUND. Next, we need to set a couple of variables. We will need the hour, minute, and AM/PM options. The next thing we need to do is we need to differentiate between AM and PM. Because the DATETIME module gives time in 24 hours format. So we need to add 12 hours to alarm hour if it's a PM. Now we write the code for alarm itself. So while true, here we check that alarm hour and alarm minute equal to system time. If it equals, then we play our custom sound. Else it waits until the time is equal. Let's run this. You can see that time is 7:16 PM. Let's enter time 7:17 so that alarm will on after 1 minute.